Hi guys, and welcome back. I am back with another makeup tutorial for Halloween, not a full-blown Halloween look. I just remember that wild hair I told you that I might get in my last video with my last look. It never came. I got inspired from a look on Instagram and I have no idea who it is. It's just an eyeball with this makeup look. I'm going to use some different colors and some glitter and maybe some jewels. But it is of a bat wing coming off of the eye. I love the look, but I have no idea who it's by. So let's just say any bat wing look that you come across, that's who I'm inspired by. So I'm just tapping some concealer on as my base. Going to drag it out a little bit because I know that we're doing some bat wings. So I want to start off with, I'm trying to decide which palette to go in with here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and start with my favorite Halloween palette. This is my most used palette for Halloween. It's the Morphe and James Charles palette. I think I've used it in every Halloween video this year. And I'm going to start with the really, really dark purple and basically concentrate that color in my crease. I like to start by tapping the shade right above my crease, and in order to bring out the most pigment. So I'm not worried about blending right now. I am just patting it to get the pigment on there. Right before I started filming, I had to put all of my stuff from my Halloween looks away. I had it all up on my little dresser type thing right over to the left of me. It's been sitting up there since basically, all my stuff's been sitting on it since basically the end of August when I started ordering all my stuff for my looks. And to finally put it away, it's like, damn, that feels good because I accomplished some really awesome looks this year. Did a full face of prosthetics, and yeah, my looks have, a lot of them I took it off this year. Not viral or anything like that, but a lot more views than I'm used to. So I'm really proud of myself for my Halloween looks this year. So once I have that pigment on, I'm gonna go in with this purplish plum pinky type shade and take it on a fluffy brush and just start to blend out the edges. I'm bringing it all the way in this area just to, I don't know, make it more dramatic. I dipped into the lighter purple right above that shade I just pointed to because I felt like this look needed it. This purple is looking a little patchy. So I'm still trying to blend because I'm not loving the way this is looking. I'm gonna take a Q-tip with some Garnier micellar water. I've never cut my crease like this, so I'm gonna try this. Wish me luck. Oh my god, that was so easy to do. I'm never cutting my crease with concealer again. I have to cut above my natural crease because if I put makeup right in my crease, it disappears when my eyes are open, so I always have to cut above it. I think I might go ahead and try and draw these bat wings before I do anything else because in my head I can see the look and I want to use some green glitter, but I think I need to try and get these bat wings on before I do anything else. So I'm gonna try and go off camera, get this right, and then come back and finish the eyes. That was probably the worst experience of my life. I've never had so many issues with a makeup look, and I thought my last makeup look with the spider webs was extremely hard. This was harder. I'm gonna take some black cream paint. This is from Amazon. It is basically a knockoff Makeup Forever Flash palette. I've never used the Makeup Forever Flash palette, so I can't necessarily compare the two, but this cream paint palette is bomb and affordable. So I'm just gonna paint the inside of these bat wings. And of course, anytime you use a cream paint, you want to set it with powder. So I'm going to set the cream paint with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to jump into the Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place and take this glittery orange, which is the same thing that's kind of in this picture here. And this is a very, very pigmented palette. So I don't feel like I need to cut the crease or add any concealer or anything. And I'm just gonna, yep, see, told you. Add this all over that space. Now I want to take some green glitter. This is by MAC. This is in the shade Emerald. And take some eyelash glue and right on my cut crease, this was like a last minute decision here, put that green glitter. Let's use a dark green. Like mix these two together from the Morphe James Charles palette. We'll put it right here where this negative space is. Need lashes and a jewel to really just get this going. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take these dark jewels that I have and glue them on, because that's gonna fix everything. That's what I like to tell myself. Okay, so I went off camera and did my lashes. I used the same crazy Halloween lashes that I used, I think, like in my last two Halloween videos. And then what else did I do off camera? I put the jewels here. I don't know if I'm liking that too much. I'm gonna leave it right now, but they might come off. And then I put some purple cream paint in my waterline and then set it with the same purple eyeshadow that I used on my eyes. Yeah, and that was it. This look is taking forever. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I kept my hair the same. I changed my shirt. I did my brows basically the same way I did in my last video. Fluffed them up, made them bigger and thicker because I really wanted some thicker, more wild brows. And the jewels made it. The jewels made it to the end. So they're here to stay. Not my favorite, but they're here for the party. That is it for this look and this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.